Hello and welcome back to the Business Building Workshop from CertainTeed. We are here at Fenway Park. I am Heidi Ellsworth, and I told you we were going to have some very special people today. And Mark Rayfield, you fit that thing. They're right there. Thank you so much for spending time with us, CEO of CertainTeed, and here today at the Business Builder. This is so awesome.
Well, I'm thrilled to be here. I'm not sure I fit the full bill, but I'm very happy to be here with you and very happy to be here at the business building workshops. They're one of my favorite events we do within CertainTeed.
Well, they should be. They are. So this is our third one this year that we've been at, and we are loving it. The podcasts, the interviews, the contractors are really special. They are very loyal.
Yeah, they're our partners. This is a great way to give them tools to expand their business, whether it be marketing tools or how to use our products and sales tools and meet our TMs. And they really have a great partnership. So we couldn't do it without them. So
we've been hearing that a lot today too.
Yeah.
I would love to have you just introduce yourself for everybody out there in roofing and really just a little bit about your history. And I know we all know you're CEO of CertainTeed, but tell us just a little bit about you.
Well, I'm happy to be here. My name is Mark Rayfield, and I've been with CertainTeed or Sankabon for 27 years, since 1999.
Wow.
Started here in Worcester, Mass. in a sandpaper salesman job.
I love it. I love it.
And been in this role for about 7 or 8 years. Really happy to be here. Great company. I mean, great legacy in CertainTeed, great legacy with Sankabon. One company's 360 years old and one's 120 years old. So some great, history to both those companies.
And great people.
It's
That's
great
what we
people.
see all the time.
Yeah.
Just such CertainTeed, all the folks we're working with, the reps in the field, the TMs. And that's what we've been hearing from contractors who are sitting here today talking about that their business is built on that relationship.
It really is. I mean, the one thing that throughout the history of CertainTeed and my history with the company I've noticed is it's a people company. And the teams that we have in the field, the teams that support these events and everything else are just fantastic people. And they connect with the contractors, they understand their challenges, and they build these great partnerships. So first and foremost, it's always been a strong relationship company. At the distributor level, at the contract level, we have just fantastic people. And we have some here that some that I just saw that were retired. This hill came back to see the BBW. We have some of them retiring, but we also have these new young ones coming up underneath, and watching the new salespeople and the new employees get trained by the old employees and the changing of knowledge and relationships is just exhilarating.
I love that. Okay, let's talk about that.
Okay.
Workforce development.
Yes.
We are so involved with NRCA, with Skills USA, with all the workforce. And I hear you have some amazing programs that are going on right now in CertainTeed and really a passion
We do.
for you.
We
Talk to us about that.
I'd love to. So we have multiple different areas. We have an EOS program, which is essential sales, where we bring in either college grads or people with some level of career, and we put them through a sales training and then into a assistant territory manager, then a full territory manager. We have the same thing for manufacturing, essentials of manufacturing. And we do a great thing at 12 of our plants and expanding, where we really go to vocational schools and start at the high school level, both teaching people what great careers are in manufacturing, plus what great careers are in construction.
I love that.
And and we have so many employees who have multi-generations in our business and multi-generations in our plants, and they've have families and houses and put kids through college, and it's just a great career that we can put people into. And you see it with everyone here.
You do. You see it.
Yeah.
Generational. But also one of the contractors we had on a podcast just right before this, he's 28 years in the industry. They are going to trade schools. They are vocational schools, and they are helping to train. They're actually becoming involved with that next generation, which I think is so important.
It's great. I mean, I think as you can tell, I'm not a young man, but as you get older and you've been in the business a long time, it's fantastic to give back. It's so rewarding to watch the next generation come up and learn, and they challenge us. They challenge us on our purpose. Are we doing it right? And so it's a fantastic activity.
I always say I get mentored by the younger generation all the time.
I agree. It's great. They teach you all this digital activity, but they also, when you say a purpose and a vision, they push you on that purpose and vision. They make sure you're living up to it. They're very purpose-driven these days. It's wonderful.
Yeah. I love that. Oh,
same here.
That is so refreshing. I love hearing that because I feel the same way. I think, the more we can do together and really helping each other to grow, that's really how the industry, that's why the roofing industry in particular and siding
I agree
are very special.
Yeah.
Today we've been having podcasts in both English and in Spanish, and you have some amazing Latino.
Ann and her team are great. It's amazing. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, no, it's great. No, I mean, It's a trade that you can learn. We have a lot of multi-generational and single-generational immigrant laborers that are in it, and they do a fantastic job. So as you say, most of them started on the roof at 17
Yeah.
and then built up for 35 years and have their own job. So it's something you can kind of start with your hands. It's not going to be replaced by AI and really have a great career.
Yeah. So, and I do have to say, Anna is
Isn't she great?
spectacular.
I know,
Yes,
I know. She's
so
and her whole
amazing.
team is, and so it's fantastic.
One of the things I wanted to talk about today also is just performance products.
Yep.
And that's really, I love it when you walk downstairs and you see all the sample boards on the window and all the different products. And so cool. Can you talk just a little bit about the commitment of CertainTeed that they have towards performance, warranties, and really bringing the contractors in with that?
I can. It's another passion of mine. I mean, if you take a look at just anything, if you build your home, what do you want it to be? You want it to be warm in the winter, cool in the summer, dry all the time. You have, in this area of New England, you have ice, you have rain, you have sleet, you have high winds. And so what we really are passionate about is getting systems together with the right underlayment, the right ice and water shield for the eaves and the valleys, make sure that we have the right air and vapor barriers below the siding, and really teach our contractors that for no more money, you can really build a very resilient home and add a value to the homeowner to say, everyone can get you a Moray black shingle, but I'll get you a roof that will survive the next storm and siding that will survive it. And it gives you a sales edge and gives the homeowner a house that's more resilient and holds value greater. So we're all about both having the products, but then training the contractors on how to install them. If you install them all from the same company, then they're meant to go together. They're easier to install together. You have one person to hold for the warranty. It adds a bunch of power.
And we've been hearing that from contractors. They
huge.
talk about that, and especially the contractors who are doing the whole exterior with the roofing and the siding, one company. And in fact, the contractor we were talking to was just all over training and how great the training is. And all of his new people coming in, he goes, the first thing we do is we send them to training.
Exactly. You
That's
have
it.
to. So everything gets installed correctly. You have less callbacks, and it's always at the junctions where you have the issues. If it's two companies at the junction, they're going to blame the other one. So,
Yeah.
and we stand behind our product. So it's a deep, deep passion that we have systems and solutions that solve the problem for the homeowner and make the contractor more profitable.
Yeah, I love that. And it's really, that's when everybody wins,
I agree.
right?
I agree.
The homeowner wins, the contractor, and obviously
And more
the
sales
contractor.
come, you get more callbacks. Perfect.
Right. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
I love it. I want to I want to kind of bring it around back to the BBW.
Yep.
Just the classes,
Yes.
all the classes that are going on. We were lucky enough to be able to teach a podcasting class this
I
morning.
saw that. Yeah.
Great audience.
It's great audience.
It was
I
a
know.
great audience.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it was so
Cool.
good. And but there's so many great classes from all the vendors and business builders, and then installation, hands-on.
Hands-on. I agree.
As you're looking at that, talk a little bit of it. That I feel pretty proud right now.
Oh,
Look at all this.
Well, thanks for participating. Thanks for adding your knowledge to what everyone can learn here. I mean, the beauty of it is we're into our third season. I'm not sure we do by years because we go by sports season in these, but so third season of it, and the team, which is right back here, which I couldn't be prouder of, that run all of this, continue to listen to our contractors and what they need. So we have a great mix of marketing classes and podcasting classes and how to storm finding classes, everything else, and then the installation and product classes going forward. So our goal is to make our contractors more successful, more profitable, make sure they can install the products well, make sure they can make more deals. And if we continue to listen to them and expand the offering, they keep coming. We have almost 400. I'm looking at the team, almost 400 people here today. And so they're just great. And, competitors will try to copy this, but they're missing a number of key components. They're missing the people behind us that run this whole thing and understand it. They're missing the relationships that our teams have that really bring people in there, and they're missing the full system solutions that we can offer that nobody else can offer.
Across the board. Helping those contractors expand too. So I love the fact that they're only doing roofing, they can do siding. If they're only doing siding now, they can learn.
Great opportunity. I agree.
Bring us together. I want to thank you for everything you do for the industry and what a great company.
I just get out of their way. I don't do, so I'm just lucky to work with a really special team.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
They are pretty spectacular.
Great.
Thank you for taking time and being on Roofers Coffee Shop. We will be back. This is pretty special, everyone. Stay tuned.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.